In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project milestones in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a small personal project or working with a large team, defining clear milestones is a critical step to ensure everything stays on track. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps you plan, visualize, and manage your tasks with ease. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear timeline laid out with all your project milestones organized efficiently. So let's get started. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the Team Space area. This is where all your workspaces and projects are housed. Once you're there, look over to the sidebar or the main navigation section. You'll see a small plus button. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can add new elements to your workspace. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Lists. Lists in ClickUp are a simple way to organize tasks into specific categories or workflows. Now, you'll want to name your new list. For clarity, let's call it Milestones. Giving it a clear name will help you and your team understand its purpose at a glance. Once your list is created, it's time to add in your milestones. Click the Add Task button, and for each project milestone, create a new task. For example, if you're launching a product, you might have milestones like Finish Design Phase, Complete Testing, and Launch Day. Be as specific as possible with your task names, so it's clear what each milestone represents. Now, to get a visual overview of your timeline, switch to the Gantt view. Gantt view is a fantastic feature in ClickUp that lets you see how your tasks are distributed over time. It's especially useful for planning milestones because it gives you a clear picture of the sequence and timing of each task. In the Gantt view, you'll notice bars representing your tasks. You can click and drag these bars to set due dates for your milestones. Simply extend or adjust the bars as needed to reflect the start and end dates for each task. This step is essential for creating a realistic timeline. Next, organize the tasks in the correct chronological order. This means arranging them in a sequence that reflects their dependencies. If one milestone must be completed before another can begin, make sure they are placed accordingly. To further define these relationships, you can create task dependencies. Click and drag from the end of one taskbar to the start of another. This creates a visual link between the two tasks, showing that one depends on the completion of the other. It's a simple way to ensure your team understands the flow of the project. Finally, take a moment to review the entire timeline. Look for any gaps, overlaps, or unrealistic deadlines. Adjust the tasks and dependencies as needed to create a smooth and clear path from the first milestone to the final goal. And that's it. You've successfully created a structured timeline for your project milestones in ClickUp. If you're new to ClickUp, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.